This chest showed up at my doorstep, and I used what's in it to make this tea, this tea, this tea, this tea, and this tea. But some people say it's sending these guys to the poorhouse. T-shirt help desk starts right now. So this big suitcase box shows up at my doorstep. I bring it inside. I open it up. I turn it on its side. I pull it out. I take it and put it on my desk. It's a big machine that looks like a panda, but isn't it cute? I take it and I open it up, and it's like kind of locked down. So I give him a little X-Acto knife, cut that, pop, cut that, pop. This is the front where the film comes out. I screw this part in. Then we turn to the back, and this is where you attach your film. So I take the film, throw it right on, and then right here, there's a lever to make sure that you can fit your film through. Then I screw down these little brackets to make sure the film slides through smoothly, to make sure the film stays in place. Then I peel the film from the front through the back. And I know some of you are like,
well, what is it?
This is a dual colored DTF printer from Procolored. Now, what was I? Oh, so we're going to add the ink, all right? We pull our inks out, and we add our funnel, black, cyan, magenta, yellow, and white. You see this? Let's freeze. You see this white ink right here is really thick towards the bottom. That's because it has something called titanium oxide, the gift and the curse. But we're going to get into that later. These are all done. Let's turn to the front. Now you take out these screws and remove this plate. Now it's needle time, baby. But not this kind of needle.
Little kids doing drugs, it turns my stomach.
Just say no, guys. What we actually use our needle for is to pull the ink through the dampers. We do all these white, and then we go on the back and do the color. After we do that, we snap all our dampers back in place, because I'm gonna move this bad boy to this spot. So let's pull it over.
That thing is heavy.
Let's power on our machine. So now we got this piece on the side, which we take and we screw on, push it back right to the edge. Then we add our waste ink bottle, screw that on at the bottom. Then we pull some ink through those tubes, and we're all set. Now the software is simple and straightforward, but should you have any issues, they do have techs overseas and in the US that can help you. Now the techs, with your permission, can actually take over your computer and square everything away remotely. But when you're going back and forth with them, have a little patience, because their response time can be a little slow. But we got it rocking, and we printed a nozzle check, and everything was fine. So we started print, and it prints the color, and then right behind it at the same time, it prints the white underbase. That's the beauty of two heads. Now this one right here is going to piss a lot of you guys off. This is LeBron dunking on Michael Jordan. Next one is an abstract Dennis Rodman, and this one is based on A Tribe Called Quest, A Tribe Called Black. And it has a film cutter. Love it. Now this is the next one, and you can see it adding that white on top of that color. And this is I Heart AI. It's probably going to make some of y'all mad too. And it wouldn't be T-shirt Help Desk without an alien. Guys, we're about to work with the adhesive powder, so you must use your gloves. Yeah. All right, you must have some type of ventilation and eye protection. Now, because you just want to be safe around this powder. Remember, safety first. Very simple process. You add the powder on top of your graphic, and then you just slide it back and slide it back the other way, and you're done. We're going to do all of these different ones. And I know that some people think that this is kind of archaic and antiquated. If you got a little bit more bread, you can do this. So you pull out your film and you bring it down into your shaker heater. All right, you just pull that all the way through, and you go down here, open it up, let it hang down, then it attaches to the roll at the bottom. Get it all nice and hot, and your powder is shaking and your art comes out. And once you hit print, you never have to touch it. Okay, this is the shaker oven. If doing it by hand is too much work. Now in that box, there was also an oven. Let's take it out. Comes with a little cord, and look over here. There's an air filter. Check this out. I told you about those fumes, guys. Safety first. So I'll tell you what, let's put some artwork in it. Open it up. Let's throw that LeBron and Jordan joint up in there. I'm gonna close it, keep it at the highest setting for 180 seconds. Hit that button. Now we're gonna open it. And look, you see when you see that gloss shine? Once you see that, you know you have a perfect curing. It also has this little suction cup thing. You just pluck it down and pull your artwork off without having to touch the hot surface. And we did all the rest of them. And it's a really simple process. We did the same thing for all the other prints. Let's make some tea. So we broke out the HTV Ron Auto Press 2. And let's break out a t-shirt and get our t-shirt ruler XL. Just throw that art in there. Get it all lined up and perfectly square. A little parchment, 320 for 30 seconds. All right, so let's pull this out. And this is a warm peel, okay? Warm or cold peel. You can just let it sit here for a minute. And then let's pull off this parchment and peel. Like butter. Okay, y'all can get mad now. Got Bron in outer space dunking on Jordan. I love it. Let's go to the next one. Follow the same process for all of these. We got this abstract Rodman with the leopard hair. And you know we got to have an alien in a t-shirt help desk video. And we got this one, a tribe called Blessed. And we got this one, a tribe called Blessed. I Heart AI. You know I'm rocking that. Y'all probably mad at that one too. And all done with the Panda. Procolored F13 Pro Panda DTF. All right, here they go. Tribe called Blessed, AI. Let's move this over here. Alien, Bron and Jordan, and Dennis Rodman. All right, all of them right, champ. All up in your face, and we did them all with that DTF. It's going to be down in the description box, guys. Check it out. Check it out. DTFs are the future, okay? And you got to understand something. A machine like this is an investment into your future. Now, back to that white ink. That titanium oxide can cause clogs if you don't perform regular maintenance, okay? So these machines are just like cars. If you want them to last and purr like kittens, every day go in and do a cleaning. You just go in the software, go to clean, two-head clean. You can do weak, normal, or strong. And the printer does the work. And you should be just fine. And since you stayed this long, if you check the link down in the description box and go to Procolored.com, I got a $100 off discount code for you. Just use my name, Gary. That's it. And remember, machines like this are investments. Okay, I'm Gary. God bless. I'm about to put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Peace.
T-shirt help desk.